Hi, first grade, and welcome to our second week of poetry. Today we're going to focus on haiku poems. Haiku is Japanese poetry, and it reflects on nature and feelings. You use your observation skills to write about what you see in a new or a different way. Haiku poems have 3 lines. The first line of a haiku poem has 5 syllables, the second line has 7 syllables, and the third line also has 5 syllables. Remember, a syllable is a part of a word that has at least one vowel and is spoken as a unit. In the word syllable, there are 3 syllables. A quick way to figure out how many syllables are in a word is to put your hand underneath your chin and count how many times your chin drops. Syllable. My chin dropped 3 times. Each of those units also had at least one vowel. Another way to figure out how many syllables are in the word is to clap the word out. Let's try with syllable. Syllable. That way also showed me that syllable has 3 syllables. This is a template where you could write your haiku poems. It shows where you can write the title. Think of a line with 5 syllables, 7 syllables, and then 5 syllables again. Let's look at some examples. This poem is called Beautiful Sunrise and Sunset. The first line says, beautiful sunrise. Let's check that that's 5 syllables. Beautiful sunrise. That's 5. On a warm summer morning. On a warm summer morning. 7 syllables. I wait for day's start. That's 5 syllables. Just like in the other poems we've written, each line does not have to be a perfect sentence. The most important thing to remember for haiku poems is how many syllables need to be on each line. Here's another haiku poem about spring. Swaying leaves on trees, warmer air, blooming flowers. Spring's finally here. Another fun type of haikus are guess who haikus. Let's read this one and see if we can figure out what the haiku is about. Flower visitors, busy buzzing in the fields, black and yellow stripes. Who is this poem about? Yes, it's about a bee. Let's try this one. From a lily pad, keen eyes spot a careless fly, a sticky tongue snap. What was this haiku about? Yes, it's about a frog. Your job today is to write your own haiku. You can write about a season or something found in nature, or you could write an animal guess haiku. Remember, your first line should have 5 syllables, your second needs to have 7, and your third line needs to have 5. I'm excited to read your haikus.